welcome back to another video. And today y'all, I am at Longhorn, and we're about to go eat for my cousin's birthday, so their birthday dinner. And yeah, but I'm late, but happy New Year's. It's 2025 and I'm on my grind this year, so yeah, I am about to vlog, banger after banger after banger. And I am also going to be streaming Twitch, and the ad will be right here, so make sure y'all follow that. I'm also going to be over there too. And yeah, so let's get it and let's go eat. But check the fit. I got on pretty little thing. Yeah, pretty little thing with my Kate Spade bag. My Kate Spade bag that I got for Christmas. Yeah. And yeah, let's walk in.
Yeah, this is my outfit. I promise I look good. It's just real cold out there and I'm sick, so I gotta put on a coat.
Well, y'all, we are in Longhorn. Oh,
I know.
Right here.
So you just want broccoli, no cheese?
I think I'm gonna get like steak or something.
Okay. Well, can you sit in your seat for me?
Probably sirloin steak with some broccoli, some mashed potatoes, and the spicy chicken bites.
Get in the seat, sit down.
That's what I might be getting, y'all. I don't know what she's getting. Oh. Tell her what you're getting.
I'm probably getting pork chops or in a baked potato.
What Leah get?
How?
Leah, what you get?
It ain't fried.
They didn't order her nothing.
It's good though. So I probably get real. You can make ribs at home. You can make garlic parmesan chicken at home.
But pork chop,
A chicken breast. A chicken breast.
that's what it is.
That's what she getting.
Oh, a chicken breast?
Yes.
I'm getting down. I'm getting sirloin steak. And some spicy chicken bites. Well, yeah, that's what we're getting. Our waitress ain't come yet. She need to come on. I am hungry.
I'm gonna do that.
Oh, y'all, now I gonna tell y'all what she getting.
Hey guys, this y'all first time seeing me on the vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm getting. I'm getting parmesan crusted chicken, and I'm gonna get a Caesar salad on the side, and I'm gonna get fries. Yeah, I've been doing my makeup lately, and my eyebrows, well, not my makeup, my eyebrows, and they look good. But yeah, y'all, this is my first time. I don't know why Tay Tay don't do shit. Oh, let me get her back, because these little kids get on my nerves.
Yeah, that was Naya, the first time on the vlog. I'm surprised. I really thought you was in one of the vlogs.
She was at Crumble Cookie.
Oh, because I didn't have no... Yeah. And that's we'll come back to y'all when we get on food.
Your favorite person coming?
Okay, y'all, I got my spicy bites, but now I'm just waiting on my steak and stuff. I am like super hungry. I don't know how long it's been, but I'm hungry. But I got my chicken bites. Let me look. Yeah. And I'll get back to y'all when I get my real food. Okay, y'all, I got my food. And she got something now. Tell me what you got.
I got some ribs with a baked potato and fries.
Now,
any missing sides or anything? No chives. So yeah, I really don't have no time to be talking right now. I'm hungry. They've been taking forever. Get my time in it. So we're here. Eating our face. I would offer you, but right now I am hungry. Very. They've been taking too freaking long. Yeah. Like at this point, having us sitting here we did order our food. It took about an hour and have been sitting here waiting. You know what I'm saying? Literally. Child, everybody want to get a promo in. Here go the owner.
Oh man, Tay-Tay. I'm talking about make sure you tell me to subscribe to me.
Okay, everybody try it. Real good, real good.
I can get you some more water and give me some more.
I never drink mine.
Okay, the steak. Okay, I give my potato a 10 out of 10. Fries a 10 out of 10. I'm about to try to rib.
Steak. 10 out of 10.
Yes,
The potatoes real good.
and I told them extra butter. Now we try a piece of the rib.
Ain't just no butter, is it?
Like this one would be back the same.
Damn, sounds great. Okay, mashed potatoes and broccoli.
It's because we hungry.
Yes, that too. And Naya said her food was a 10 out of 10 too, y'all.
Two baked potatoes.
Everybody's food is good so far. This is sauce. I definitely
That boy down there acting like a baby because his mama here. Zai.
put it down. You don't need no salt. Put it down. Okay, I gotta take it. Okay, y'all. So we made it to the bowling. Now we're waiting for us on the rain. I just got done doing TikTok live. I'm super duper tired. The food was amazing, and we did a little bit of TikTok. I look real good though. Yeah. But now we're just waiting on the lane. I'm just ready to most like get the heck out of here. It is so loud in here too. So many people. Oh, so many people. How can we get back to y'all when we start bowling and stuff like that? Alright, y'all. So we about to bowl. First up is today. Then me. Then Jazz. Then Bad. Bar and Piggy. And then Peaches. So they about to go first. Let's see what he can do, y'all. Oh, heck nah. That's good. Wait, Big. He ain't even get nothing.
Gotta get that warmed up.
He ain't even get nothing.
Oh yeah. it's just a player with you.
I think it's the player also. Oh, my bad. Wait, I got more points than you! Look at the score! I got 8 at the moment, but I haven't went again yet. But you know, when I go again, I'm definitely gonna be higher than him. He's just mad because we suck. Like, how you suck?
I'm sucking today.
You suck.
I haven't played in years. So, hey.
Like, it's embarrassing.
I haven't played in years, so.
Stop lying!
I haven't played in years.
Wasn't she talking big, bro?
I haven't, bro. You know the last time I've been.
Even though I am a professional.
To me, and on my first try, I made more than them.
Watch when I want more.
Amen.
Even though I am a professional,
I don't want to bet money with you.
I can't bet no money because I'm losing right now.
Right.
Alright, y'all. We get back to y'all later.
Nigga, watch out. Get the try down.
This is the score right now. Oh, go ahead. Y'all, I am losing. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. It was a good day. Good bowling. Everything was good. I don't know what we'll be doing on the next vlog, but y'all stay tuned. Oh my gosh, don't mind the bump right here. Really, really bad. But yeah, I lost in bowling. Or maybe next time. And yeah. Thank you, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shorty so bad.